Hi, we're back again. So, one of the questions I get asked a lot by my female friends, never by my male friends, is how do you survive for 2 weeks on hand luggage only? So, today I'm packing for my trip to Russia. Remember to subscribe to check out that upcoming trip. And we're going to walk you through how I packed for my trip for 2 weeks. So, stick around and we'll be back in a sec and we'll go through this video. Thanks. Okay, we are here. Here we are on the... Okay, so another go in and check it out. Hi, so we're back again. You can see the other side of the room this time. So basically what I'm doing is I'm packing for my trip to Russia. And okay, if you see there, those are my 2 items of hand luggage, and this is all of my stuff that I'm going to get in there. So what do I need for 2 weeks? Okay, so first of all, okay, there's a jacket over here, but it's not waterproof. I've got my waterproof jacket down there. Okay, 2 cargo pants, so there's lots of pockets in here, so don't have to worry about getting pickpocketed or stuff like that. Spare towel. Okay, the weather forecast always throws me off. So it's saying it's going to be 11 degrees and rain most of the time. So I have to dress warm. So these ones are all full sleeve shirts. These are all half sleeve shirts. But these ones are wet dry shirts. So I can wear them, either wear the full sleeve one on the outside or the half sleeve on the inside and the full sleeve. You know, so I can rotate them around. Okay, I won't show you my underwear. These are all my socks. So the socks you can wear, this is going to sound gross, you can wear them 2 days in a row, but okay, the battery always dies. Anyway, as I was saying about the socks, okay, you can wear them 2 days in a row as long as you wash them overnight. So the hotels will always have liquid soap and stuff like that, so just do a quick wet rinse overnight and you can wear them twice. The same with a lot of these shirts and stuff. I mean, if you rotate them around, you can wear them, you know, 2 days, you know, and as long as you mix them up, your photos won't look the same for 2 days in a row. Okay, let's go down to this stuff here. Okay, so you've got my camera, multi-plug, universal plug, because the battery just died, this is the camera battery charger. There's another universal or, you know, European style plug. That's my MP3 player and its charger. Will go through the bag in a sec. These are plastic wallets, so I divide my cash up. There's my passport. I have 3 credit cards divided up in different places. A couple of pens, and again I take these ones you used to use in grade school because then you don't have to carry so many pens around. Phone, keys, charger, cash. The food bag we'll get to in a sec. There's my wet jacket. There's my backpack. What is that? Earmuffs in case it's cold, hat, Tylenol, Halls. Okay, the toiletries bag. So this, as you can see, is a pencil case I bought in Korea, which is quite good because it's durable and it's big and it's see-through, but it's seen a lot of wear and tear. The zip doesn't work anymore. So I was looking for a long time for a new toiletries bag, and then I found this. This is actually an underwear bag. There were 3 pairs of boxes in here, but as you can see again, it's thick plastic, it's very durable, it has a zipper, you know, so when you need to take the bag out and run it through security. So there's all your toiletries in there. There's I guess other stuff. Okay, so this is all going to fit inside that one bag. The food bag, we'll just show you quickly. Here on the side, there's a lot of those wet wipes that you get from restaurants. So if you don't use them, you know, you can always use those when you don't have water and stuff. And then I'll do it in a sec. Okay, so let's get to the food stuff. Okay, so I carry around a lot of dry goods because often if you arrive late at night or whatever, you need food or snacks on trains and stuff like that. So this will all go in the food bag, so we'll just show you that in a sec. Okay, I also forgot to show stuffed in the bag. We have some cutlery, another pen, a lot of these food tie things to seal things up again, a couple of plastic bags. Now, half of this usually comes back, but I'm just paranoid about food because I don't eat meat all the time. I have dietary issues, so it's better to have, you know, stuff to munch on instead of just, you know, collapsing because you starved in another country, you couldn't speak the language, and you didn't know what to eat. Okay, so let's put this all back in here. Okay, so as you can see, everything fits. There is tons of room still in there. And I usually just put my toiletries bag in there because then it's easier access when you're going through security. Okay, so let's just do a final walkthrough. So that's the clothes I'll be wearing on the day, so I don't need to pack any of that stuff. There's my toiletries bags I'll just shove in at the end, baggage, chips, passports, I'll be wearing all of that stuff as well. So here is the food bag, we just went through that. Here is the main bag. So in the side pocket I have my keys and just some other receipts and stuff like that. You can put one pair of pants in here, then there's another pen stuffed in there. This is where all of my chargers and electronics went. There's a pair of headphones when I'm on the plane, and then the eye patch. So everything fit in here. You see all the clothes. There's actually, it looks full, but there's lots of room. Like when I went to Georgia, I bought 2 rugs, and then I bought another rug in Armenia, and I stuck it in here. So there's actually lots of room. There's my backpack that comes out. Again, like I can even wear this jacket. If I take this jacket out, then, you know, that opens up more room. Yes, I bought 2 rugs, two rugs in Georgia and 2 jackets in Georgia. Then I bought another jacket in Azerbaijan, and they all fit back in here. This side pocket here is laundry. So all of the socks and underwear under here, as soon as they get worn, and well, not as soon, once they're done, then they start transferring to this bag here. So this starts opening up space on this side because it starts transferring here. What else can I show you? There's another side pocket here. So you have 2 handles here and a shoulder strap here. So I either wear this as a shoulder bag most of the time, or I can just wear it as a backpack with these 2 straps here. So that's it. That's what you will see in my photos, which is basically me and these 2 bags. So that is how you survive for 2 weeks on hand luggage. So let's just bring me back here. Okay, so hopefully you found that useful. Again, this is more geared towards guys. If you're a girl, I have no idea. So that's something you have to figure out. One of my friends tells me she has a piece of checked luggage just for her shoes. So I can't deal with female cosmetics and shoes and makeup and all this other stuff. Okay, that you're gonna have to figure out. But anyway, I hope this was useful. Again, remember to subscribe for the upcoming trip to Russia. There's other things on my channel, such as how do I travel on air miles and cheap hotels in Canada, so remember to check things out. And there'll be more of the trips, so stay tuned, and I'll be back again soon. Thanks.